Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating LG soundbar SL6Y and its specifications. So you could able to see this soundbar. It has Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and it is having high resolution audio DSP controller, and maximum RMS out is 420 watt, and this soundbar is of 3.1 channel. It can be upgraded to 5.1 channel by uh, by adding two more speakers, that is you can see SPK8S kit, which is sold separately, and these two speakers are wireless, like there are no wires from your soundbar. It can be kept across your corners or behind your sofa, and this helps to make your soundbar 5.1 channel, and you will be getting optical cable in this. So I recommend for all your TVs, instead of using HDMI, prefer optical cable, as it's transmit high resolution data, so your quality of your sound will be high. And you can see in this sound bar you will be getting a sound bar which is of 3.1 channel and active subwoofer. So altogether it is of 420 watt. LG soundbar remote. Now this is my Sony TV. So now I'll be keeping into optical mode. Optical mode. So now I'll be show and this soundbar, the subwoofer is connected wirelessly. I'll be showing the subwoofer. This is a subwoofer, LG subwoofer, which is connected wirelessly. You can see behind, you can see a green LED indicating that is the sound bar has been connected to this wirelessly. Only power supply is required, 230 volt AC power is required. Okay. Now you can see the sound from a standard channel. The quality of the sound from a standard HD set-top box. But if I turn the channel towards HD channel, you can see main Dolby Digital has been activated.
It was too nice. It's a 67 Mustang Coupe. It's not like a fastback. Daniel wanted this to look masculine, okay? To me, the way it was beautiful, but it said meow, not roar. It was too pretty. It was too pretty. It had no expression. No.
Now I'll be turning off my
It makes it look like a race car.
sound bar.
It makes it look like it's gonna have a dull strip all the way down. That's what it makes it look like.
Now this is the sound of your TV, which is having inbuilt speaker of 40 watt. Now I'll be turning on my sound bar.
You know what it does do though? Make it look duller. I know Danny will like it because he's got some class. some style. You're just one-sided. You're always two-dimensional. That was hurtful. Come on, man. Let's really think that. That was hurtful.
You can hear the sound from the sound bar. Now I'll turn off my sound bar. So this is the sound of the TV. Now I'll on my sound bar. Now I'll be connecting to Bluetooth. I have paired my Amazon to the Bluetooth speaker. You can see.
A 1966 Charger with a Hemi. What's your best price on it? $379. We got $340. To give you 50 grand. Let me give you 12.
Alexa.
Rick is a cheap.
Alexa.
Version by Helen Kadi on Amazon Music.
67 Mustang a while back from Dave Bryant. I had a vision how to make this baby.
Now I'll be turning off my TV. The volume can be increased up to 40. Now I'll be keeping at 25. Now you can hear KGF songs from Alexa.
KGF Chapter 1, Kannada by Vijay Prakash, featuring Mohan, Santosh Venki on Amazon Music.
I have kept at 20% of the sound. Thank you. Thank you.